baby?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, you know. Just touched down 4 minutes ago. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, okay.
Holding it down in the cell, protecting myself.
Okay, calm down, brother.
You know what they say, right?
No, what do they say?
It ain't nothing like a nigga fresh out to give you that good prison.
Whoa, let's bring it back a notch, nigga. Damn. This goddamn Tinder app done sent me off again.
What you want to eat? Got you in the wheels, got you in the whip. I just got this. It's nice, ain't it?
Mm-hmm.
This nice, ain't it?
Yeah, it's nice.
This hot right here.
I bet this motherfucker is hot. Who am I riding with?
You know, I was thinking. We should go to the crib, watch a movie or something. You know what I'm saying? But you know I got you, right? Just in case a motherfucker try to bust in the crib-o. I keep that thing on me. I stay strapped.
Okay.
Dun, 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 dun.
Okay.
Stay strapped.
You know, I actually forgot. I have to take my dog to the vet. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go home, but I'll call you.
Oh, okay. You try to play me like I'm stupid, huh?
What? No.
You try to play me like I'm a sucker or something.
Of course not.
No. You don't know me. You don't know my struggle. You don't know how it is to be locked down with 700-pound weightlifter, Roman noodle, face tatted inmates, do you?
What? No.
I'm just trying to enjoy some company with a sweet lady. Sweet lady, would you be my sweet? You know the goddamn song. Now come over here, girl, and show me some love.
Sweet lady, would you be my sweet love?
What you doing?
Is it a lock button over here? I'm sorry. Now what I wanted to do was
Lock her in?
Yeah. So I'm sorry. Yeah.
Get out!
Yeah.
Whoa, that's all I know.
Number 7, ready?
Wait, one second. Here it comes. It's that y'all. It's that air on me. It's the air on me now.
Now, what was you thinking when wanting to cancel?
Man, I don't want to do this shit.